Pennsylvania patients, it's me again, Medical Mary. And let's talk about this Select Elite battery. I don't know who else got it at that deal that I found. It was $1 more when you bought a Select Elite cartridge, but it's a button, but it's a pull draw. So the battery's 5 on, 5 off. Now it's off. 5 on. Now it's 3 to do temperature. That's the hottest. Blue's the lowest. And here we go, medium heat. It really confused me the first time. I kept trying to hit the button to hit it, but it's a pull draw. It's just a variable voltage pull draw. Again, now that it's turned on, we don't have to hit this button because the temperature's already set, so you just breathe. Happy medicating. It's easier than you think.